In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a soft glow effect on your artwork. This approach is quick, non-destructive, and works beautifully for highlights, light sources, and atmospheric effects. Start by creating a new layer above your artwork. Keeping the glow on its own layer means you can tweak it without touching the original painting. I like to name it glow, so it's easy to find later, especially if you add more effects. Next, change the layer's blending mode to add, sometimes labeled glow, or to screen. Both brighten the pixels underneath, but they feel a bit different. Add is punchier and fantastic for intense light and neon accents. Screen is more subtle and tends to look natural on portraits and photos. If you're unsure, try screen first, then switch to add if you need more energy. Select a soft airbrush or a soft brush tool. The softness matters because hard edges can make the glow look harsh or fake. A larger brush with low hardness and low flow or opacity helps you build the glow gradually, which keeps things believable. If you're using a tablet, pressure sensitivity will help you taper those strokes. Choose a bright color like white, pale yellow, or a neon tone that matches your scene. White is versatile, but warm lights might lean toward yellow or orange, while cool lights can use cyan or blue. Think about the color of your light source so the glow feels consistent with the environment. Now gently paint over the areas you want to glow. Aim for the source of the light and let it fade outward. Tap or lightly stroke rather than pressing hard. It's better to build the effect slowly. If you go too far, simply undo or softly erase the excess. To control intensity, adjust the layer's opacity. If the glow needs more impact, duplicate the glow layer to stack the effect. This keeps your adjustments flexible and lets you fine-tune strength without repainting. Finally, soften and spread the glow using Gaussian blur. Go to filter, then blur, then Gaussian blur, and slide the radius until the edges feather out and the light feels like it's blooming into the scene. A small blur keeps the glow tight. A larger radius spreads it for a dreamy look. You can blur different duplicates at different amounts for depth, and then tweak opacities until it feels right. And that's your clean, controlled glow effect, bright, soft, and easy to adjust.